Alright, there are only 3 ingredients for this wonderful recipe, and there are 2 ways to make this. So I'm going to show you guys how. So I have the whole black pepper over here, all stored in mason jars, and this is the coriander seeds, and I have the cumin seeds. So we need cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and black pepper for this recipe. So we're going to use 1 cup or 1 measurement of coriander seeds, half cup or half measurement of cumin seeds, and then 1/4 cup or 2 or 3 tablespoons of black pepper. This has to be a whole pepper, do not use the powder. So either you can fry them separate and grind them, or you can do it like that. So what I have done is I have dry fried them and without any oil, and just until the raw smell goes away. You don't have to deep roast them. So this is it, and then I have mixed all of that. 1 cup of coriander seeds, half cup of cumin seeds, and 3 to 4 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of black whole pepper. So now I'm going to go ahead and grind it, and then I will show you how our Dhaniya Jeera powder is getting ready. Okay, now it is roasted. Do not add any water, it has to be dry roasted, and as you can see, this is the consistency that you want. You don't want it to be too nice or too rough. This is a little coarse, but this is the way it's supposed to be for your Dhaniya Jeera powder. And I have a mason jar over here, but before I transfer this into the mason jar, I'm just going to take a plate like this, and I'm just going to let the moisture out. So I'm going to spread it along and make sure it dries a little bit to avoid extra moisture. And once it is dried up, after 5 or 10 minutes, I'm going to transfer into this mason jar. Alright, it's been 10 minutes and I have transferred this into the mason jar, and as you can see, look at that, it's almost 4 ounces of the Dhaniya Jeera powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and close it. And the best thing is to label these, so that way when you're ready to cook, you already know where to find your ingredients. And we use this for many different recipes. I use it for my vegetable biryani, for my chaat, and also for curry powders. I just add in addition to that. So this is a great addition to your spice list, and making it homemade is always very, very special. And you know what ingredients you put in there, and everything is organic and fresh and ready to go. Here we go, your very own Dhaniya Jeera or coriander cumin powder is ready to use. See you in the next video.